स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू नटराज क्लासेस। इस वीडियो में हम विटामिन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले विटामिन्स आर द फूड फैक्टर्स जो हमें स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में चाहिए होते हैं कि जो हमारी बॉडी में जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है और जो हमारी बॉडी की फंक्शनिंग है उसे वो रेगुलेट कर सकें, कंट्रोल कर सकें। दे डू नॉट प्रोवाइड अस एनी एनर्जी। Note that point. Vitamins do not provide any energy to us. Vitamins were discovered by Funk in 1912, that is 1912. There are two types of vitamins, that is fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Under fat soluble, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, and then water soluble are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Then we proceed to vitamins. We will study vitamins, their common sources, functions and their deficiencies, symptoms. सबसे पहले है विटामिन ए, that is retinol और एंटी एक्जीरोफ्थैल्मिक विटामिन. Its common source is milk, butter, eggs, fish oil, vegetables like carrots and fruits, that is papaya, liver, etc. Its functioning is form retinal pigments and iodopsin of cone cell of eyes. Its deficiency symptoms is night blindness and xerophthalmia is caused. ये एक ऐसा डिसीज़ है जिसमें जो हमारी आइज़ होती हैं ये ड्राई हो जाती हैं. इनमें मतलब हमारी आइज़ में पानी नहीं रहता है, टीयर्स नहीं रहते हैं, जो आइज़ है वो बिल्कुल ड्राई हो जाती हैं. देन विटामिन B1, that is thiamine. Common sources of this vitamin are yeast, wheat bread, peanuts, beans, pulses, etc. It is essential for normal carbohydrate metabolism and functioning of our nervous system. Essential for normal carbohydrate metabolism and फंक्शनिंग ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम. हमारे जो नर्वस सिस्टम है उसकी फंक्शनिंग में जो विटामिन B1 है ये बहुत हेल्प करती है. इट्स डेफिशिएंसी सिम्टम्स cause us beriberi, that is weakness of our limb muscles. Then vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Its common sources are our liver, milk, cheese, kidney, yeast, leafy vegetables. You can eat eggs and cheese. Then its function is it is a part of coenzymes. It maintains our skin healthy and also our oral mucosa healthy. It makes cow milk nutritious and yellow in color. Then its deficiency symptoms is fissures in skin. जो हमारी चमड़ी का फट जाना इस विटामिन B2 की डेफिशिएंसी से हमें होता है. देन इज विटामिन B3, that is niacin and nicotinic acid. Its common sources are wheat bread, meat, peanuts, yeast, milk, sugar cane, etc. It is also essential for normal carbohydrate metabolism. It causes pellagra, that is swollen lips and over pigmented skin. Then is vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is also known as vitamin B5. Its common sources are yeast, milk, groundnuts, tomatoes, honey, egg yolk, our kidneys, our liver. It is the main component of coenzyme A. It plays various metabolic roles, especially in conversion of pyruvate into acetyls. Coenzyme A for Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is the sequence of reactions in which most of the living beings generate energy using oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and water as base product. In Krebs cycle, adenosine diphosphate is converted to energy rich adenosine triphosphate. Okay, it happens in mitochondria and it happens during aerobic respiration. Then vitamin B6, deficiency symptoms of vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. it is deficiency is rare due to its abundance. Vitamin B5 is abundance in our body and from the common sources from where we get. That's why its deficiency is very rare. Then vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine. Its common sources are milk, egg, fish, soya bean, green leafy vegetables, egg yolk, pear, etc. It is involved in neurotransmitters synthesis. It also helps in hemoglobin synthesis and keeps our blood sugar level in normal ranges, that is our glucose level. Then is dermatitis. Dermatitis is generally defined as a skin irritation. Then is vitamin B7, that is biotin or vitamin H. Its common sources are egg yolk, milk, liver, our kidney, honey, beans, peanuts, and also chocolates. This vitamin B7 help the body to metabolize proteins, fats, carbohydrates, nausea, muscle pains, fatigue, and also depression. Its deficiency causes us muscular dystrophy, anemia, and tiredness. Then is vitamin B10, that is folic acid. Its common sources are liver, green vegetables, banana, soya bean, etc. And its functions are nucleic acid metabolism and function of formation of RBCs. Then its deficiency symptoms of megaloblastic anemia. Then is vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin. Its common sources are egg, fish, liver, milk, etc. This is the vitamin that we not get from plants. It is not available from plants. It promotes our DNA synthesis and maturation of RBCs, and its deficiency causes us pernicious anemia. Then is vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid or antiviral vitamin. This vitamin we get from citrus fruits like amla, orange, etc. And guava, tomatoes, leafy vegetables, and chilies. Its function is to formation of collagen. It is essential in making connective tissue inside our body. Its deficiency leads to scurvy, that is bleeding of our gums and teeth falling. Then vitamin D, that is calciferol. It is synthesized by our own skin in sunlight. Its major sources are fish liver, oil, or sunlight, milk, egg yolk, etc. Then its function is to deposit calcium and phosphorus in our bones and teeth. It leads to rickets in children, that is bent and weak bones, and osteomalacia in adults, that is also weak bones. Then vitamin E, that is tocopherol or anti-sterility vitamin, or we can say it is beauty vitamin. This vitamin is we get from almost leafy vegetables, vegetable oils, cereal, grains. The functioning of this vitamin is that it keeps our skin healthy, it maintains RBCs, and its deficiency leads to destructions of RBCs and reproductive failure. Then last one is vitamin K, that is phyloquinone or anti-cancer vitamin. Its common sources are leafy vegetables, soybean oil, and its function is normal blood clotting that helps to prevent cancer. Its deficiency symptoms are delayed blood clotting. Thank you. These are the all vitamins, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 vitamins we study. इन विटामिन्स में अगर हम इतना पढ़ लेते हैं तो किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. In part 2 of this video, we will study about minerals that helps to maintain our body. All these vitamins, various proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins are comes under our balanced diet. First we complete minerals, then we go for balanced diet. and its main components that are water, carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins.